Turning your Canva design into something you can hold in your hands? That's where the real magic begins. Whether for your small business, side hustle, or next big idea, WTTB is your trusted UK partner and master of print sorcery. Start by ensuring your Canva design matches the exact setup of the product you're printing. Every product on our site comes with specific details, so follow them closely for a flawless finish. Once your layout looks just right, click Share, then Download. With that, you are moments away from conjuring up a print-ready file. Set the file type to PDF print. This preserves the sharpness and clarity your design deserves. Tick Crop Marks and Bleed. This might sound technical, but they help with clean edges and a magical finish. Change the color profile to CMYK. This translates your vibrant on-screen design into real-world color. If, and only if, your design is image-heavy, tick Flatten PDF. It merges your elements into one stable file, primed for print. Save these download settings to make the creative ritual faster the next time you need to print. Click Download and your Canva creation is transformed into a high-quality, print-ready PDF. Head to wttb.co.uk, choose your product, set your specs, and upload your file. From business cards to posters, merchandise, and more, we'll bring your vision to life. If you need any more help, contact us, and one of our Canva wizards will be able to help. WTTB, real print, real quality, and a little bit of magic.